How to manage screen orientation on Wattpad. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage screen orientation easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Wattpad and now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here. Then go to the top corner again and click on this little icon. Now go to reading preferences here, the third one. And here you will find some options. Choose the first one. It's screen orientation. Now choose if you want it portrait or landscape or automatically. After you choose, just click and it will be changed. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.